Now we're going to do the Lord's Prayer, uh, learn step by step in Hindi. Uh, this is the Hindi homepage, and we'll do an instruction game. There's different things you can take advantage of here to practice and get help to build your skill within Hindi. Uh, we're going to go through and pick instruction games. And then from instruction games, we're going to scroll to get to the cultural aspects. And then in cultural aspects, we're going to go to the Lord's Prayer. Okay, and there's just a variety of things you can, instruction games you can play to help you with topics that would be around surrounding the Lord's Prayer and sharpening your eye and things like that. But we're going to go through just the basic learn step by step. Okay, so we have here the Hindi language Lord's Prayer. Now, just right off the bat, I want to say that it is good to get familiar with some of the alphabets in Hindi so that your eyes can start to break down the lines and squiggly lines and make sure that you can start recognizing these as actual letters and words. And at the same time, though, we have here like a Latin writing that represents what this is. So here, hey would be hey, hamare, hamare, and that will help us to get through the game and to practice, even if we didn't have the script yet. And what we'll do is we're not trying to. The accent's going to be off, from from my perspective if I'm saying it. But the point of this is we'll go through and practice. We just want to become familiar with it. And in the situation that you're in, whether it's in a Hindi church or with a prayer setting where this is being said, or where you're by yourself and you want to internalize it because you're going on a mission, or whatever is involved in the reasoning for you wanting to learn and practice the Lord's Prayer, or you just want to practice to try to learn Hindi better, or be able to learn to read and write, and you're using the Lord's Prayer to help you. That situation that presents itself will help bring out the accent you need, and the people you're around will help you, and the context will help. All right, so let's read this. I'm gonna read this from here, but I'll be looking at this too, because during the game we will need to be referring to the actual Hindi Devanagari script. Okay, so hey hamare svaragik pita. Hey hamare svaragik pita. Tera naam pavitr manna jaye. That doesn't sound right. Tera raja tere icha jase. I can't even read this English, Latin here, whatever. Jase svark. It might be easier to do this. Me pori hoti. Pori hoti hai. Hey. This is hey. Hoti hey. Hoti hey. Vase paritve bar miho. Aj, today, aj hame utana bojan de. Yo, I'm reading both at the same time. Hamare liye avashk he. Is that hey or hi? I'm not sure. Hamare aparat shama kar. Jase ham dosaro ke. I'm reading. I'm highlighting this, but I'm reading the other side too. Ke aparat shama karate hai. Karate hai. Karate he. Karate he. That sounds better. I don't know if that's right. Hamare Vishwas Ko Mat Parak. We're gonna go into the game in just a couple seconds. Paratu Hame Shaitan, Satan, the evil one. Shaitan Se Bacha. This is in English of Jesus Christ, Jesus our Lord, and okay for Thanksgiving, Pongo forever. Amen. Amen. I guess there's the with the extra sound, man. Alright, well, let's see how we do. It might be, it's going to be interesting. Everything I'm doing, you can do. And of course, if you're interested in practicing, this is a vehicle to do it. But we're trying to build skill here, so there's going to be some work involved. Okay, so the first thing is we're just matching 1 for 1. And I already just see like 1, 2, 3, these look the same, but they must be, are they the actual same thing? We'll see, but we'll match 1 for 1. And then we will, beneath we have flashcards that can help us. Okay? But the idea right now, we're not trying to perfect anything, we just match and go with the flow. For some reason, I think there might be 1, 2, does this match this? Oh yeah. They look almost exactly the same. Okay, and this is that. Hi, that's the hey. Let's see what we have here. I know some of little bit. So I think this is key. I think. This hey. Hamare. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Happy. I don't know. That matches there. Is that enough? Of course, I can look at these in reference. Okay, this matches. Pita. Hey, I'm out of pita. Pita. Alright. Oops, I hit that by accident. I was not trying to get to that one. Let's see. Wow. This is Interesting. I'm looking in those other sentences to see if I see that, so I can try to. Oh, Ishvar, Ishvar, Ki. Oh, Ki. See, I was right. Ki, Ishvar, Ki. Ki was over here. Ishvar, Ki, Prarthana. That's na at the end there. Okay. Hey, Ki. I knew something. Got the key right. Alright. Okay. Paratu. Oh, now we need to actually. So, Ishvat ki. I don't know what that means yet. Paratu hame shaitan. Oh, see, hame. Paratu ha. This must be oo as at the bottom. E goes at the top. Oh, hame. I mean, I'm sorry, not E. In this case, it's A. But I guess the longer over here was key. So, Paratu hame. Just because of the size of this, I'm going to say this one is, bam, I'm not even going to go through that now. My brain is going. Let's see, learn step by step. Teraraji ae. Okay, that matches the first one. Teraraji ae. I don't know what that means yet. Hamare aparad shamakar. I guess that's this one. Teraraji ae. Oprat something. Oprat. Terarajai. Kar. Ame. See, I'm starting to see stuff just by Karapa. Karape. Karape, I think that is. Alright. Prat. Perai, maybe? Perai. Thy kingdom come. Okay. This was, what is that? Happy. I'm not sure what that sounded like again. But I'm seeing more the words and letters. Oh, hey hamare, svaragik pita. Hey hamare svaragik pita. Oh, terarajai ai, thy kingdom come. I'm gonna stop soon. Terarajai ki pita. I know that right away now. Ki pita. Hamare vishvas ko. Oh, ko, that is ko. Mat parik. As we're doing this, what's happening is my eye is starting to get used to even further the letters. Which I have some familiar with it before here, but it feels like it's getting a little bit sharper because now I have a reason to know. But delivers from the evil one, shaitan. Paratu hame shaitan se bacha. Okay. No, that's not the one we just read. See. Oh, see, at first, before I would have been like, now I feel like, okay, we can get through some of this. Terarajae, thy kingdom come. Uh, what is this? That matches that. Where is that one? Uh-oh. Oh, is that? Yeah. I don't know what that sounds like. Oh, something. And forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Aj Hame, that's not it. That's Aj is today, so let's give us our daily bread. Hamare operata omakar hold on. Paratu no. Para I could use a flashcard, but I don't want to. Paratu Hame Shaitan. Let's deliver from the evil one. This is give us this day our daily bread. So Hamare. I think this is that. Yep. I don't know the whole word, but the whole sentence. But at least I got the word there. Okay. Oh, we're gonna finish up in just a second. Oh, what this is? Oh, purat. Let's see, that's here. This one, car. This is hame, I think. This is let's see. Oh, I'm making this look easy. No, it's not easy. It doesn't feel easy, but I feel like I can do it. I will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Which one was that one? Parate Hamid. No, it must be this one. Yep, I'm getting through it. We're getting through it. Excuse me before. Let's see. So, okay, that and bam. Okay, now we would have a Hamare Aparat Shamakar. Is that what that is? Hamare Aparat Shamakar. Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to stop there. This was very interesting. And, you know, I think we have a list here, some of the ones you might have gotten wrong. We can try again. There's different games and things we can go through to continue to help ourselves practice. But I will stop there, and that's it. Okay, bye-bye.